Morning, guys. It is Wednesday, and we are at the Beehive Trail here in Acadia National Park, where we will be doing it and showing you what it looks like. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, guys, looks like we are at the Bowl Trail and Beehive Trail, which are combined. Beehive is roughly 3/4 of a mile up, and then the Bowl Trail is a half mile up. So we're going to be doing both of those, and yeah, we'll show you pictures from the top. Here we go. This trail follows a nearly vertical route with exposed cliffs that require climbing on iron rungs. Well, liability. They let you know it's on you guys, so let's do this. Yeah.
So, Rattler, what do you think so far of the Beehive?
I like it, people. Definitely a vertical ascent. Wire rungs to grab a hold of. That's it.
All right, we're gonna keep going. It's only 1.5 miles. Here we go. Keep on going. Here's the view, guys. Look at that. Going up the boat trail to the Beehive. There are sheer drops here. You can see that. So Rattler turned around. It's not his cup of tea. So I'm gonna finish it and try to get some of this for you. Luckily, there's things to hold on to all along the way, so here goes. Alright guys, so now I'm on the bowl trail that's going to loop me around back onto the Beehive trail. So it's hard in the beginning, figure out how to get up here, but once you get to this point, so far it's been fine. No problems, easy peasy. Someone who's afraid of heights, if you can get past that portion in the beginning, maybe a quarter mile, you would be fine. So, alright. I'm gonna check out this bowl trail and see what it looks like. But these views on this trail is absolutely spectacular. So beautiful. Incredible. Now the water, wow. And it's such a clear day. So very blessed with that today. So, all right, I'm gonna finish up so I can meet Rattler at the end. We're gonna do lobster again today before we head back to Boston. Alright guys, this is what's called the bowl. So if you come from this way, it's a Beehive trail all the way to the end. I decided to do a loop, so I jumped onto the bowl trail to just make a loop back onto the Beehive. So this is your view. Look at that. So incredible. There's a place here if you wanted to sit, have a snack, have some lunch. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Perfect day today, guys. I'm sad that this is our last day here in Acadia. But another place we will be back. We weren't able to hit everything like we wanted to. There's only so much time when you have a job, right? Okay, I just wanted to show you what that looks like. I am going to turn around to meet up with Rattler and jump back on the Beehive.